This presentation is to accompany the book Consumer Behavior, a Primer by Gail. Demographics is the study of populations. Stan's Cafe is a performance art theater group who uses grains of rice to bring abstract statistics to life. Each grain of rice represents one person. Over a period of days, a team of performers from Stan's Cafe carefully weigh out quantities of rice to represent a host of human statistics.
Right.
People age because everyone likes kiwi fruit. Oh, that's right, yeah. Kiwi fruit grows in New Zealand. People cite Jamie Oliver's the diamond something, that's it.
To arrive at an appreciation of the meaning behind the statistics and numbers, we need to have context and reference points. So we begin with the whole world. The U.S. population is over 310 million. What is the rank of the U.S. population in comparison to the populations of the countries in the rest of the world? What is the most populous country in the world? People usually say China is the most populous country in the world, and they would be right. India is the second, and third is the United States. For many people, that's surprising. They think the rank of the U.S. population is lower. Although the United States is third, it is a distant third with about 4.5% of the world's population. So this means that the 25% of the population in China with the highest IQs is greater than the total population of North America. The top 28% of the population in India with the highest IQs is greater than the total population of North America. A sizable population is necessary to be a world power. The world's population is growing. It's projected to be over 9 billion by 2050. But the rate of growth is decreasing. And the population growth is occurring in the less developed countries. What are the factors that affect population change? Birth rate is the number of births per 1,000 in the population. Fertility rate is the number of births per 1,000 women. Because fertility rates take in such things as the age, fertility level, and gender distribution, it may provide information not discernible from birth rate. For example, in countries like China and India, where their culture favors male babies to female babies, we see a shortage of females in the younger demographic groups. The shortage of available brides in China and India, is problematic for those countries. Here are the world's fertility rates from the CIA World Factbook. Niger tops the list with 7.6. Macau, at a rank of 223, has the world's lowest fertility rate. The United States has a rank of 123, with a fertility rate of 2.06. This is below the replacement level of 2.1. The idea of the replacement level is that if a woman gives birth to about 2 children, then the 2 children will replace her and the baby's fathers upon their deaths. China, the world's most populous nation, is at 182 with a fertility rate of 1.54, which is further below the replacement level than the United States. This map gives us a quick snapshot of the fertility rate around the world. Death subtracts from the population. Angola has the highest death rate. The United Arab Emirates has the lowest death rate in the world. The United States ranks 89. China's rank of 132 with 7.03 deaths per thousand is lower than the U.S. rank of 89 with 8.38 per thousand. Here are life expectancies for the top 10 countries in 2009. Life expectancy in the United States is around 78 years of age. Immigration adds to the population, and emigration subtracts from the population. Immigration has added to the growth of the U.S. population ever since its founding. This chart, created by the Population Research Bureau, shows the annual number of legal U.S. immigrants by country of origin for the last 50 years. Immigrants make up about 10% of the U.S. population and contributed to about 1/3 of the population growth over the last 2 decades. The map on top shows states that have lost or gained foreign-born population. Colorado, West Virginia, and Vermont have lost foreign-born population. The map on the bottom shows the foreign-born population as percentage of the U.S. population. California and New York are the states with the largest percentage of foreign-born. This map shows that Germans are the largest ancestry group in the United States. In comparison to other countries, immigration has played a bigger role to growth of the U.S. population. For example, immigration policies in the United States grant citizenship to individuals born on U.S. soil or naturalized. In contrast, German immigration policy, for example, grants citizenship by blood or heritage. An individual can attain German citizenship only if one or both the parents are German citizens. In the United States, birth rates are decreasing, mortality rates are decreasing, immigration is substantial. As a consequence, the U.S. population is aging. The median age, that's the point where 50% of the population are older and 50% of the population are younger, is rising. If current trends continue, then we can forecast this population structure. Here is what the U.S. population will look like in 2025. There will be a lot more older Americans. Here is the prediction of China's population structure in 2025. It is aging. The median age is increasing. People are living longer, and the one-child policy has decreased the birth rate. The country with the highest median age, the oldest, is Monaco, at 45.5 years. Uganda is the country with the lowest median age. It is the youngest at 14.9 years. With a median age of 36, the United States is ranked 38 out of 156 countries. China is ranked 53rd with a median age of 33.2 years. Why does population structure matter? What does it mean to have an aging population? We can take a look at this graphic of Japan's population as an example. Japan's population was shaped like a pyramid in the 1950s, with lots of young people to take care of a few old people. Then, because 20 and 30-year-olds decided in record numbers not to marry, the population grew much more slowly and sort of peaked around 2007. Today, the population in Japan is probably shrinking. The 1950 population pyramid is now inverted upside down on its head. There are fewer and fewer young people who must take care of more and more older people. Old people need pensions to draw upon and public supported health care programs. These are issues that will have to be addressed in a few short decades, and the answers will affect the quality of life of all concerned. This portends not only the future of Japan, but other industrialized nations, including the United States, where we see the median age creeping up.